welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the Bank Nifty and Nifty has performed and how the Bank Nifty and Nifty can perform tomorrow. See, if you look at this chart, we have seen today was the expiry and we have seen there is a huge gap up, and from there we have seen the Bank Nifty was moving in a particular range. Okay, and the price of the premiums, after it has moved upside, the premium has moved down and decayed so fast. Okay, suppose if the price of Bank Nifty, if the Bank Nifty opens in this particular range itself, then there is a probability if it comes close to around 37,925, then chances are high it can go and touch a level of 37,998, and from there we can see it can go further upside to a level of 38,830. Okay, and then from there if we look at this chart, probability is that it can go and touch a level 38,111, which is a very strong resistance and it is already tested, so chances will be very high it can go further upside to a level of 38,200 also, and then we can see a level of 38,264 also, and if this level sustain, then probability is that it can go, this will react as a strong resistance, and if the price goes above this level, then we can see further upside in the price of Bank Nifty. Suppose if the Bank Nifty opens below this level, then 37,723 will be a strong resistance, and it will act as, if the price comes close to this, there is a probability it can bounce back from this level and 37,642 will act as a strong support, and there is a probability if it goes below this level, then we can see a level of 37,529 also, and if it goes more below this level, then we can see a level of 37,448 also. Okay, suppose if it comes close to 448, then there is a probability it can go further low to a level of 37,368, and from there we can see a level of 37,263 also. Okay, if there is a huge gap up or gap down, then wait for the first 15-minute candle and then we'll decide whether we'll take the trade accordingly. If we talk about Nifty, see, we have seen a huge gap up today. Okay, and after that we have seen that it was moving in this particular range. We were thinking that it can go, but as of now, if you have worked on the price action today, there might be a good profit as of. Okay, so now suppose if the Bank Nifty opens in this particular range itself, then we can see yes, 17,856 will be treated as a strong resistance, and once this level is crossed, then we can see it can cross further upside, we can see, and can make a new high also. Suppose, and if it opens below this, suppose if it opens in this range and if it goes below a level of 17,781, which is a strong support, so chances are high, because this level is already tested twice, so chances are high it can come to a level of 17,759, and from there if it goes more below this level, then we can see yes, it can go to a level of 17,698, and it can go and touch a level of 17,655. Okay, but these are all my personally what I'm sharing, it's for educational purpose only. Okay, so now suppose if the price comes close to the, or if it opens a big gap down or a big gap up, then we have to treat 17,860 as a strong support. If it goes below this level, 17,700 is a strong resistance. So we'll wait for the first 15-minute candle where the market is opening, and then we'll trade accordingly. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.